The Dreo 36-inch Nomad 1 tower fan is a sleek and smart way to cool your home. This bladeless fan adapts a unique air duct design with fluid mechanics to minimize noise while keeping you cool. The Dreo Nomad 1 tower fan's 90 degree of oscillation provides additional coverage over a traditional fan for quicker cooling and wider air circulation within the room. 4 modes plus 4 fan speeds allow customizing different comfortable air settings up to 24 feet per second. By using the convenient wireless remote, you can easily set the fan to sleep mode as well as set a timer. Enjoy all-day serenity and comfort thanks to the quiet, algorithmic impeller design. The ambient intelligence of the Nomad 1 allows for a hands-free adjustment of fan speed as it adapts to room temperature. The Dreo 36-inch Nomad 1 tower fan is the perfect, quiet, powerful, cooling solution for the office, bedroom, or any space in your home.